to group 50%, more than 50%. It is amazing. And let me compliment these two persons right away and whoever is responsible in this effort. And we have started at the right Lagna, 12 o'clock is Abhijit Lagna. That is the Lagna for any Muhurta, it is very good. Any Muhurta. So, this particular your attempt to go ahead with this reunion is extraordinary. Let me heart of heart bless you to take it forward and see that this goes for a long way, and let me be also a party to that in the future. I'm selfish in that. I'm totally selfish. I'm already 81 now. So, let me. I am always spirited to that extent, and I am ready to live, ready to live. Both are I am prepared, but as long as I am living, that I want to live a very, very happy, purposeful life. Purposeful. And let me at the outset thank you for this gathering in which he mentioned so many things. And not only he recollected the teachers, he made me to recollect my teachers. That is the plus point is message. And all those teachers were my teachers. And if MBS thrived, not because of anything except teachers. Yes. Let me tell you. And all my teachers were wonderful, excellent, and divine. So, if you are anything today, it is entirely goes to our teachers. And let me tell you, when you mentioned Sampat, in fact, I never wanted to become a lecturer or a teacher. Never. That I told Kapaya that would be my last resort. But it became first resort because the day I came back from Mysore, there was an offer to me to join MBS college. Outright and rejected. Now, Bharutila, Subro, such a honest, dedicated, saintly person, he can't be not in the lecturer. Now, Bharutila, you see the arrogance, you see the atrocity which I did, and I applied for banks. Your Canara Bank also I applied. There were officers post. 288 applicants, the candidates were there. Two passed, myself and one person. We passed in this one little test. And then one of our employees of MBS, he joined Canara Bank and he said, sir, you the ready appointment letter. Next time ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ನೋಡೋಗಿದೆ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಲಿಚೇರಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಟೆಲಿಚೇರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ that was the first shot for me failure another first failure ಆಮೇಲೆ I tried in so many banks I paid miserably then I waited for 1 year Sampat came to my house like ನೀನು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನೀನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯ he was my very favorite teacher and ಮನೆ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀನು ನಾಳೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯ ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ರಾಮನಾಥ್ ಕೆಫೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಜೋಗ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನಮ್ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೋಗ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ತಿಂದು ತಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನು ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಮ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ Rajgopal, extraordinary persons, I tell you. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಎಂತ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನಬಲ್. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ಸೋಮೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನೋಡ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರಿ ತಲುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಈಚಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಎಕಮಿಕ್ ಅದು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನಾನು 40 ಶೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. It got exhausted within 10 minutes. You will be surprised. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 30 minutes ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 40 minutes ಏನೋ ಕೂಡ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈನ್. Unless you have got passion, you should not try it. By God's grace, by elders' blessing, I could just carry out my work. The interested work I carried out superbly. I'm satisfied. That's it. Okay, God bless you.
We are also satisfied.
No,
Yeah,
I
we are
want
also
today,
fortunate.
Mr. Ravipuri, one thing I'll tell you, I will not ask you the feedback. I will be disturbed also.
No, I will give you.
But I am so, because my entire assets in my life is students. Today, I have got plenty of students. All are well placed, all have done their duty, all of them have contributed to the society, and that is what the yardstick. But to see that, are you successful in life? And
How successful your students are.
And really,
That
all
will
the
be
students are
your-
successful. And today only when I just got the feedback that we are contributed in your capacity to the society. Ultimately what? Because J.D. Naidu, you know, he had remarked way back, first 25 years of your life, you learn. Next 25 years of life, you earn. After that, spend both on the society. You should not keep on learning, keep on learning and earning only. You should spend on the society.
Yes.
See, that is echoed even yesterday's, because the 14th was the Children's Day. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಫೋರಂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರೋ ಇದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೇ ಎಡಿಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 5 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 10th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು ಹೇಗೆ ಇರು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ವಿಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಟಫ್ ಶಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ವೈಡ್. You just understand that, and there that I give good marks to it. So therefore, there is no depth as far as the Indian society is concerned. There is no depth for anything. Today, I am overwhelmed because I thought some ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊರಟೋಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. For example, gratitude. You have demonstrated in such a large, great measure gratitude. ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ you have demonstrated that in the form of a ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is very, very important. I compliment you. Gratitude. Then relationship. 52 years you maintain the relationship. Now you are renewing the relationship. 52 years you maintained it. Now you are renewing. What an extraordinary thing. In which profession do we get this? Love and affection. In which profession do we get this? Nowhere. That is why I say this profession is divine. This profession is divine. That is why I said passion should be there for, and that should be the landmark for this. For those who take up this that medicine, doctor profession should never be mentioned in other terms. Only passion. These two, if it is there, you are contributing to the society. That is why when was asked, do you want to be remembered as the President of India? Or do you want to be remembered as Missile Man of India? Do you want to be remembered as the diplomat of India? No, I should be remembered as teacher. He said, I should be remembered as a teacher. Why? That he was teaching out and out. And ultimately, he died as a teacher. When by lecturing, I think all of you are knowing, in Assam, he was giving lecture, he collapsed. The last thing was that he lectured and he collapsed. Actually, and this is the only person, let me tell you, who walked into Rashtrapati Bhavan with one suitcase, walked out with one suitcase. Whenever he traveled outside, he traveled alone. He never traveled with anyone. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು 3 ಜನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋರು ಇವರು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ that means to say that India is such, that is why if you are all right, everything is all right. That is why he said individual is all right, institution is all right. Institution is all right, society is all right. Society is all right, India is all right. This is what we have to carry on the stage. And today, you people have demonstrated in large measure, in a very big measure, that demonstrated love and affection. And I am energized. I am totally, I have become another 50 years younger. And so therefore, all of you are young. Yeah, I am also young now. Okay? Let us carry through. And I always keep telling you, don't give any asset to your wealth to your children. Give values to your children. If you need the values you put here, they will take care of you. This is what we think. So, I am supremely happy with this assembly, congregation, and this, let it go, as I said. ತುಂಬ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ ಹಾರೈಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ದೇವರಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯುವರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಏಜ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಯು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್
That only a teacher can do.
Very well. Everyone can contribute in some form or another. So, therefore, I am absolutely happy with this assembly. That God bless you and always be happy. Because if you have to be happy, make others happy. Definition of happiness itself is that happiness is the byproduct of making others happy. Thank you very much.